arch is a specific kind of a thing. A tower is a specific kind of a thing. A dome is a specific kind of a thing. A building can be any one of those. Any one of those can be a building. Really, that one there, I'll tell you what, for a little guy like you, to figure that one out, you'd be Einstein. I don't know why they put those in there, expect little kids to figure it out.
I got this on video.
I think we had to have tug of wars instead of dog fights. We got tug of war fights.
Yeah.
You don't need pit bulls. You just get tug of war. And neither one would give up. Roscoe, he's a pretty tough little hombre for a little guy like that.
Yeah. He grabs as short as hand.
Yep. Roscoe Skeeto. Hey, Roscoe Skeeto. Wait.